In the name of God, welcome to health episode of learning AutoCAD. In this episode, actually we are going to talk about how we can create the axis. Okay, we have horizontal axis and vertical axis. The first thing is that you have to know the principle of that axis, and in here you can draw the axis. So it's a very easy. In those place in an outside that you have a column or intersection, on that place you have to draw we can say axis. First of all, you have to create a other layer for our axis. Come in match properties. In here you have to create this. In here we can get the axis. Then in here you can change the color. Which color we can apply? This color. And then line weight, no, line type we can change. We can this ISO dash. Okay, and close. You can come in here, axis, then first we have in this side, so you have to get L F8 on. We have in here and 2008 photo we have to get in outside. It means in here we have to get 2008 photo. Okay, and then you have to get it up to end. In here also we have 2008 photo. Then then also we have another in here, if you see. So we can get also up to this point and up to this point. Then also we have in here up to this point and up to this point. Okay, then so then also we have another layer in here, line enter at the center we have to get, then come up to this level, and in here also we have to get up to this. Then if you see also we have in here we have to get at the center, then come in here. These line must be parallel. Then we have this up to this point, and then at the last also we have and up to here. Then we have also horizontal, so we can get horizontal also. In here we can draw 2824, I think this, yes. Then we have to get up to here, up to this, and also 2824. Then also we have to start it from here up to here, and then also from here up to here. Then also we have in here, sorry, you have to get at the center this, and then you have to get in here from up to here. Then you have in here, then if you see we have a in here a cross section or column. You have to get at the center, then comes to up to this spot and up to this spot. Then we have this, you have to come this spot up to this spot. Then you have to come this up to this spot. Then you have to also come up to this and to this spot. Then also we have to come this up to this spot. So then what we have to do, then we have to in here create a circle of 75 is okay, I think, with 75 degree radius. It will be very small. So in here uh, 720, 75 not 720. Now I think it's a good, and we have to trim this part, and then we have to get CO emitter multiple copy, F8 on here in all these axes. Then in here if you see it will touched, you have to small it. Then in this part also we have just we have two sides, this side and this side. Okay, so no problem. Then in here you have to trim all of them. Yeah, also you have to get a copy. Then in here you can also hatch. You have to go in a solid, and then transparency you can get 0, and then you can hatch this to point. Then then what should we do? Then we have to, in here we have 1, and here we have A, B, C, D. If you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H we have. In here also A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all, we have to get dt it's also very small. In here also we have to create a layer for our text. In here also we have a text, but we have to change this color. We can get it this. And then dt. So we can get dt. You can have 1. Enter. Okay. You can move it into center. F8 off. Then move. Then you can get a copy. And enter. F8 on. At the center. And also we have a in here. We have to get at the center. In here for all of them, and then you can edit it. 1, in here you can get 2, in here you can get 3, 4, and in here also we have to get a text. Okay, so 1, it must be in the layer of our text. 1, match property with this. Then in here also we have to click. So at the end we have to change 2, 3, 4, 5. In here we have 5. In here we have 6. 7. In here also we have 1, 2, 3, and here we have to get A, B, C, D. A, B up to end. Okay, A, B, C, D, E in here up to end. So like this. Then you have to get match property of this, and then for all of them you have to apply for all of them. So we done with axis or grades. We can also call grades. Vertical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and horizontal A, B, C, D, E, F. In the next episode, we will talk about the furniture. Have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe to Civil Home YouTube channel.